Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to insert a automatic table of content in the Word file. Okay, so if we are writing a thesis or a project report or a research report, we have to have a table of content, right? And if we manually write the table of content, if we manually put the headings, manually put the page numbers, then it becomes very tiresome. So don't you ever do that. All right, so let's learn how we can automatically put the table of content. All right. Okay, so for that, okay, so we have I have a document here with headings, different headings. All right, so acknowledgement, abstract, a list of abbreviations, table of content, and all these headings I have. All right, so I want a table of content that includes all these headings with their respective page number. All right, so it is very simple. All right, but firstly you need to make sure that these headings, they belong to a certain heading style. Okay, so if you see, then now my all the headings are of normal style. Okay, so they don't belong to any heading at all right now. So if you see, then abstract, okay, this heading also, it belongs to this normal style. Okay, chapter 1 also, it belongs to the normal style. So you should not do this. You should make sure that your headings belong to a certain style, either heading 1 or heading 2, or you can create your own heading style. Okay, before creating an automatic table of content. Okay, you need to make sure that your headings, your titles, they belong to a certain heading style. All right, so let's not make it longer. You can just simply select all the headings, all the titles, and just click on any of the headings. Okay, so either heading 1 or heading 2. Okay, so I just click on the heading 1. Now my acknowledgement, this title belongs to heading 1. But if you see, then my acknowledgement now it is coming in blue, right? I don't want the color blue, so I can modify this heading 1. So let's modify this. Okay, and let's write it as let's rename it as my heading. Okay, my heading, my headings. And we can also give our styles, okay, as per our necessity. Okay, so Times New Roman, I'm setting its font style as Times New Roman, which is the standard font style for the reports and all. Okay, and let's keep its font size as 16. Okay, and let's change this color from blue to black. All right. Okay, now my I have a new modified heading style which has named my headings, and its font style is Times New Roman, font size is 16, and color is black. Now I can give the same heading style to all the titles in all the pages of my Word file. Okay, so just select the title, click on the my headings, and again select the next title, click on the my headings. This will basically give a new heading style to all the titles. Okay, so let's leave the table of content page like this. Okay, and select the chapter 1, click on the my headings. Okay, this will just bring it to the new heading style, okay, which we just created. Okay, select the chapter 2 as well, click on my headings. All right, that's it. Okay, now if you see, then all the titles, they belong to the heading style called my headings, which you just modified, right? Okay, now it's time to put the automatic table of content. All right, so now my all headings, they are not normal. Okay, the all the titles, they belong to my headings. Okay, all right, so let's come back to the page where we require an automatic table of content. So this is very simple step. Okay, just go to the reference page, reference tab, and click on the table of content which is in the left top corner. Okay, and select any table of content you like. Oh my god, see how easily, quickly an automatic table of content has been generated. Okay, with all the headings. All right, and if you don't like this table of content, then just choose the another one. Okay, I'll go with this one. This looks beautiful, right? So remove this unnecessary title from above here. So this is how you generate an automatic table of content. There is no need to write all these headings automatically and put all the page numbers automatically. That becomes very burdensome. Don't do that. All right, so this is it, guys. And yeah, so the another case is that if you want to add some other chapters. Okay, so how that will appear, you may also be thinking that. Okay, so let's add another chapter. Okay, or another page. Okay, Let's insert a page break and let's add chapter 3. Oh, all right, and save it. Okay, when we do that, then chapter 3 does not appear on the table of content. Okay, we have to modify our table of content for that. Okay, so firstly we need to make sure that the chapter 3 also belong to certain heading style. Okay, and let's give it the heading style which you just created, whose name is my headings. Okay, so select this chapter 3, click on my headings. Now it belongs to the heading style my headings. All right, now let's update the table of content. All right, just you click on the uh, at first, okay, click on the table of content, click on the arrow and click on update table and click on update entire table. Okay, now your chapter 3 appears here with its respective page number. So this is how you create an automatic table of content. Okay, and you can add any page, any number of pages you want, give any kind of headings you want, and all the headings will appear on the table of content. But please make sure that each of these headings, okay, each of the headings belongs to, or each of these titles belong to certain heading style before you insert a table of content. Okay, if you don't do so, or if you don't insert any, or if you don't give any heading style to any of the titles, then your table of content, automatic table of content, will not be generated. All right, so you need to make sure that each titles on the page, okay, each headings on the page, they belong to a certain heading style, either heading 2 or you create your own heading style. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope now things are more clear to you. Thank you everyone.